Hello students, today we read about rationalization of a fraction. Rationalization is a process of eliminating a radicals or imaginary number from the denominator. Actually, in a fraction, suppose 1 upon root 2, if in the denominator comes any irrational number, then for making its simplest form, we remove to the this irrational number. By which process we remove to the this irrational number is called rationalization. Rationalization is the process we can do it as, suppose for example 1 upon root 2, we can wants to rationalize to it, then we multiply by itself root 2 upon root 2, then it will be root 2 upon 2, because root 2 into root 2 is 2. Now this is the simplest form of 1 upon root 2. Clear? Now remove in the denominator is root, square root is removed from the number. Take another example. Let if in the denominator square root numbers in the form of a plus root b, then it will be multiplied to the rationalization by the its conjugate. Conjugate means middle sign will be opposite to the given sign of the two term algebraic expression. So it will be a minus root b upon a minus root b. Now it will be a minus root b upon, by the formula a plus b into a minus b, we know that it will be equal to a square minus b square. So it will be a square minus square of root b square. So it will be a square minus b. A square minus b. Square of root b equal to b. If in the denominator square root number come both side of numbers as root a plus root b, so we multiplied by its conjugate as root a minus root b and root a minus root b. Root a minus root b upon, by the formula a square minus b square, root of a square is a and root of b square is b. So this is the process of rationalization of a fraction to make its simplest form, to remove from the denominator radicals or square root numbers as irrational numbers. Clear? Now we read some exponents law. Firstly, if the base is a and power or exponent is m, and second base is also same as a and power is different as n, then it will be equal to base taken one times and power will be add as m plus n. Take an example. Suppose 2 raised to 8 into 2 raised to 6. Here power is different but base is same. So we write base one time and power will be added. So it will be 2 raised to 14. This is answer. Clear? Second exponent law. If the power is same and base is different, suppose power of A is m and power of B is also m, then result will be A into B and power will become only one time on it. Clear? Take an example. Suppose A equal to 2, B equal to 3, M equal to 4. Then 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 2 raised, M is 4, so 2 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 4. Then A into B, 2 into 3 is, and power write one time. So this will be 6 raised to 4 answer. Clear? Power of any natural number, if 0, then it will be equal to 1. Power of any natural number is negative, then if we want to make it positive, then it will be write as 1 upon A raised to m. Clear? It will be interchanged. We make if it in the negative term, then it will be come at the top and power will be negative. So power if go to the bottom or go to the top, then sign of them will be changed. And now exponents, for the exponent, next exponents rule. Power of 1 will be 1 for any natural number. Clear? So practice to these rules in your exercise, and if any doubt comes, then we consult them in the next video. Okay, thank you, students.